just got baby's first wipeout. Slow down, dear. We're not supposed to be catching wipeouts. Okay, you were doing well. What happened?
She's trying to go too fast.
Oh my goodness. Oh, don't be persistent. Oh, at some point you gotta stop.
Slow down.
Okay, slow down.
She's not slowing down.
Yeah, story of the next, whatever, 20 years of our lives. There's a door. Oh.
Now what? Knock it out.
Beep, beep. Oh. Careful. Okay, look forward when you're walking, dear. Oh. No, wait there. Recovery on her own. Oh. It was such a good recovery, too. It was such a good recovery. Okay, now slow down.
Slow down. Slow down. This way. There you go.
Good luck. Don't hit me. Oh, you hit me. Okay, now you gotta turn because you hit me. No, okay. Oh.
Yeah. Oh no, grab it. Grab it. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh. Yeah, really. Oh. You stopped before you hit the wall, that's something. Oh. Oh,